Hello, it's your unemployed neighbor on Tuesday showcasing his Deepwoken build. The build which you are looking at right now is an apocalypse bird from a really well-known game of Item Asylum. Now this here may look more like a catastrophe pigeon than what I said earlier. I mean, if pigeon dislocating the cranium of a human being is something you see on a daily basis, then sure. My weapon of choice is the Kanabo. It is the closest I can get to the Twilight Eagle weapon, which, in Lobotomy Corporation, deals all type of damage, including sanity. So I took this opportunity to get the talent Shred Benrod because it's Project Moon, and Other Scream is for that one scream. I choose Mission Shaper for the oath because of our beloved Big Bird's specialty of making a schizophrenia. But this schizophrenia demon does not have wings, so I changed the oath and the bird has been born. Which is ironic that birds cannot fly. I choose corrupted running back as well because, in case you've never played Lobotomy Corporation, these fucking eggs kept the birds immortal and is really annoying. The stat is actually quite similar to all the branded Kanabo build you see it everywhere in Charm of Conflict. Talents like Manipulator, which increase your critical damage to a charm enemy, or Brace that gives you hyper armor so you can match your gameplay with the Bracer. So is this build good? Probably. Does it require a skill to play? Absolutely not. The build is in the description. I'm doing a favor for people who don't know how to use Discord and still don't know how things work in this game. It's wipe or be a wife.